On the radio, make a mixtape. I remember that way. That day, I made a mixtape. Took it to the schoolhouse, then I let it play. One day in biology class, I was sitting next to the prettiest girl with the nicest ass. And I had to lean over and ask, baby, can I give that thing a nice tap? She said, ooh wee, I like the way you rap. But tell me, can you hit it real time and on a slab? I said, yes I do, I made a tape for you. Would you care to hear or would you care to view? She said, yes please. I said, teacher, I'm really trying to reach her. Cause I've been trying to seek her. And you know I'm trying to do more than eat her. I wanna skeet her. But anyway, let me see if I can reach her. Took the radio out the classroom, dropped the tape in, and made the class boom. We ain't even have to read the book that day. Man, I let the tape play and it went my way. Stood up in the front, then I gave a showcase. Later